YouTube, Troystarz trucking. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys a backup video I saw.
For more videos like this, please subscribe.
Basically, this is from my instinct. I don't know what was going on, but I'm guessing this guy didn't want to back this truck up, or he's on something. But I'm just gonna show you guys this video. This is not my video. I saw it on a Facebook page and I decided to share it to you guys. It hurt my heart to see this backup video. I'm telling you the truth. I'm gonna play this video and let you guys leave me some comment and tell me what you think was going on in this driver head while he was doing this backup. And if you are a manager, what would you do if you were inside the building and watching this? And if you were the owner of the company that this driver worked for, what would you do? So I need you to leave me your title of the answer you're leaving and let me see what's going on. Back again. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. It's Troystarz, you know what I mean? I have a lot of upcoming videos coming out. I just want to give much respect to all the guys that watched the video to the end, the last video. I really saw every single comment and I read every single comment. Thank you guys so much. And like I said before, I'm gonna push the channel more this year, you know what I mean? I'm gonna do a lot more. I'm gonna come up with more videos, you know what I mean? But like I said before, please give me your take on what you think was going on in this video. Thanks for tuning in. Troystarz.
For more videos like this, please subscribe.